Today is game day. We got a wrestling match up in Gardner, Massachusetts. But today we are getting some freaking glizzies. Also, it's a very important day in DSB history. It's the first time that the Dillon Street Boys in the wrestling world is at two different shows in the same night. We're separated. Brett has the Rumble and we have our tag match against Southern Discomfort. No strangers to us. We're gonna kick some butt at both shows and eat some glizzies at both shows. And also, me and Corey will be eating glizzies outside the show. What glizzy place will we go to next? Find out in this episode. Should probably see if Corey's ready before I am. And we're ready to hit the road.
Yeah, the big, wide open road.
Our first stop is, I think, I should probably look it up first before we leave. First stop, Lee's Hot Dog Stand in Baldwinville, Massachusetts.
Baldwinville?
Yeah.
I wonder if it's Daniel Baldwin's town.
I don't know, but I heard Alec Baldwin owns the town.
Wow.
All right, rolling up to one of our favorite places for hot dogs, Cumberland Farms. Okay, I didn't get glizzies, but I got this Fanta.
I have this massive tall boy Red Bull. It's gonna make me sick.
Chucky's Punch. It's blood red. Now, a lot of people don't know this, but actually the reason why they call blood red is it actually looks like blood.
Yeah.
You can usually tell when it's blood red.
Blood wed?
By the way that it looks.
There we go.
That doesn't taste like a glizzy. Making a quick pit stop drive-through Iron Lake from Dexter New Blood. We're gonna see some places. It's really cool. All right, right now we're driving through Shelburne Falls. We're here. We're gonna order our hot dogs right from this window over here. It's a big fucking menu. That's too much.
Kraut dog.
Delicious hot dog and a little cup of drinky.
Oh yeah. Can't wait.
I didn't record any of that.
Anyways, look at that hot dog. Oh shit.
So yeah, I didn't record any of that. But yeah, look at that nice, perfectly toasted bun. Hot dog roll.
Wow.
Nice cheese inside.
That's so good.
The cheese is like perfectly melted.
It tastes so good.
So, yep. Lee's hot dog stand in Baldwinville, Mass. Delicious. This is our first stop of one more hot dog place. Oh, that's a really good dog. Like, why is it this good? That cheese is just... Scotty's Potties.
Oh, Lee's hot dog, they get a 10 out of 10. That was for simplicity, that was a good hot dog. Very good. How did you feel about Lee's hot dog?
It was good. I like Lee's hot dog stand. Really good.
I gave him a 10 out of 10 for simplicity. Yeah. It was still really good.
Yeah, no, I think the buns were toasted and fucking buttery.
Yep.
Perfectly.
Didn't overdo it.
The hot dog was not too hot. You know, like
even the hot dog was buttery.
Yeah.
It was all buttery.
It didn't have that like hot dog flavor that a lot of like overpowering meat.
Yeah, it tasted like meat.
It just had one flavor, not like a bunch of meat slapped together.
Yeah, just butter.
French fries are French fries.
Yeah, you can't. You
don't go to a hot dog place and rate
for the
fucking French fries.
The French fries are kind of like the drink. They're just there to help.
But the toasted
wash it
bun
down.
and the melted cheese.
The cheese. These shitty roads, they tell a tale. A tale of a really good hot dog at Shane's Hot Dogs.
Our next hot dog place before our show is Shane's Hot Dogs in Gardner, Massachusetts. They have a little more specialty in hot dogs, more toppings. I don't know, because Lee's...
It's called Lee's Hot Dogs.
Lee's Hot Dog stand is pretty fucking good. They got more than just hot dogs, but they're toasted. I just can't leave the toasted buns alone.
Yeah, that was
those toasted
so
buns.
Good.
So yeah, let's go check out Shane's Hot Dogs.
Oh, yeah, that looks fucked. I don't know. Is that a boiled hot dog?
I don't know. Yeah, it's boiled.
Yep.
Boiled hot dog. So Shane's is actually open almost all year round. They close at the end of December and open back up in April. Because we're wondering, that sauerkraut stinks.
Yeah, it's sour.
That is some fucking sauerkraut.
It's potent.
And I got the South Gardner, which is just a hot dog with peppers and onions. So it's almost like I got...
Replace sausage with a hot dog. Ooh, they have a sirloin cheeseburger.
What do they use? Kaheim?
Yeah.
Yeah. Or is it Kaheim?
Kaheim. Kaheim.
Kaheim hot dogs. And their rolls are nice and soft. I'm going to give them 8 out of 10.
I was thinking 7.
Yeah, 8 out of 7 for me.
8 out of 7?
Yeah. I like their buns. But,
Lee's had better.
Lee's buns were perfectly toasted.
Very good.
I'm not a big fan of the soft hot dog.
Yeah, I don't like.
There's no
steamed hot
bite
dogs.
to it. Menu-wise, for their hot dogs,
they had a little bit better of a selection.
Yeah, they had a better selection. But Lee's hot dog stand was just traditional fucking hot dog. No one knows hot dogs better than us. Is there cheese on that? There's fucking cheese on that. But I need that puncture feeling.
Yeah.
Eating a hot dog. And next adventure is
here at Walmart.
No longer have a flannel because I gave it to Brett, who's at another show.
Entirely like
Walmart goodie bag. I collect these. I just haven't collected them in a while because our Walmart has shit selection. And I haven't actually bought one of these in forever. Oh, to go with my collection. Oh, yeah. Camera doesn't do justice on how nice that red looks. Actually, it's pretty accurate. It's got markings on it. You'll never believe what I just found. Fucking snow. Look at that. It snows up here, dude. It's like fucking... It's October 11th and there's fucking snow. Alright, turns out we're at the wrong place. This is actually the right place. This makes more sense. There's more people. The other place, Corey realized that everyone was there for hockey, and then I was like, oh yeah, that makes more sense of why there's snow outside. Yeah. It's because there's a fucking ice rink inside. See, this is more like it. There's the ring. So, yeah.
Okay, this is gonna be very difficult. I got a chair in the same hand as the GoPro. It's got a really cool back area to this place. It's got a really nice backside. Like, look at that. That's cool. We had to bring a ring up the stairs though.
For some reason, I don't know why. No one's got it. It's not for sale.
John Cena.
Springfield edition John Cena shirt.
He really likes John Cena.
Much better. Clear out the lens. There's a key. Yeah. Yeah. No.
Throw your clam chowder away. Oh, they're so toxic. I'm just kidding. I'm only saying that because we're in Danny Adams' house. No, we had a cool match. Yeah, we never actually close out our behind the scenes wrestling, so you get to watch Mr. Miller put on his clothes. It wasn't a big crowd, but the small crowds are the crowds that will remember you, and they're definitely not going to forget all the hot dogs that were used in a single match.
And I guess apparently there was a bunch of hot dogs at TIW the same
So
night.
in one night,
And Uno cards.
DSV wrestled in 2 locations, and there was at least 2 packs of hot dogs used, if not more.
Yeah, I don't know how many.
That's crazy.
I said there was a bunch of hot dogs.
A bunch of hot dogs. That's fucking crazy. And I've realized that if I spray in my armpits, it's enough to just be good. I'm good with this friendship. Alright, I'm gonna end the video. We're gonna go say our goodbyes, so goodbye.
Yo. We just left Circle K, and I found these bad boys. Ramen Funyuns. They're hot and spicy chicken ramen Funyuns. They're pretty good. But then I found this. Funyun Slim Jim. Is this still good? I don't know about that. It's actually for dogs. It's a dog treat. That tastes nothing like Funyuns at all.